Japan. Hello. Direct die configuration 20 kilowatt continuous power peak double 40 kilowatt with the water cool at the egg bucket frank and go to the at the middle of stator for water cool controller. This motor is version 96 volt and controller also the V-test for the local length, the UVW and hall sensor with temperature go to the I/O of this controller. The controller can run up to peak 800 amp and continuous 400 amp with the wiring harness. LED signal and CAN bus communication go to the dashboard. Foot throttle or hand throttle, key switch, forward reverse switch, and separate power supply 12 volt. We test run before delivery. Thank you.